welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about a beast that has dominated roads for decades, the Nissan Patrol. And now, for 2025, the all-new Patrol is here, and the backside design is making headlines everywhere. This SUV has always been known for its power, reliability, and off-road dominance, but this time, it's the design that has everyone talking. Let's start with that bold backside. The first thing that catches your eye is the sharp new LED taillight design. These lights are sleek, connected, and give the Patrol a futuristic identity, especially at night when they glow across the rear. They almost remind you of luxury European SUVs, but with a touch of rugged Nissan DNA. The chrome accents along the trunk and rear bumper add elegance, making the SUV feel premium while still carrying that muscular stance. The rear bumper has also been completely redesigned. It's wider, lower, and more aggressive, giving the Patrol a commanding road presence. The new dual exhaust outlets hint at performance, while the subtle aerodynamic sculpting gives it a sporty edge without overdoing it. From a distance, the Patrol now looks taller, sharper, and much more powerful than before. It's not just a utility vehicle anymore. It's a statement of style and authority. Now, let's talk practicality. Nissan didn't just go for looks. They've made the tailgate larger and more accessible. That means you get easier loading for big bags, camping gear, or whatever life throws at you. The boot space is generous, and Nissan has added new smart opening features so you can access it hands-free. This shows that the Patrol is built not just for luxury, but also for families, travelers, and adventurers. Move a little closer, and you'll notice fine detailing around the rear glass and spoiler. Nissan has gone with a more refined aerodynamic roof spoiler that not only looks sporty, but also improves airflow for better efficiency. Small details like this show how carefully the brand has reimagined the Patrol for the modern era. And of course, we can't forget performance. While the backside looks stunning, it's the hidden power under the hood that makes this SUV complete. Depending on the market, the Patrol is expected to come with a V6 twin-turbo engine, delivering both brute strength and smooth efficiency. That means whether you're on desert dunes, rocky mountains, or smooth highways, the Patrol's design and power work hand in hand. Inside, Nissan has matched the bold exterior with a luxurious cabin. Premium leather, a massive digital infotainment system, and advanced driver assist features make it feel like a true luxury ride. But sitting inside and looking at that new rear design from the mirrors, it's a reminder that you're driving something new, bold, and futuristic. So here's the big question. Did Nissan create the boldest SUV of 2025? From the rear end, designed to the new details, it definitely feels like the Patrol is stepping up to compete with luxury SUVs like the Land Cruiser, Range Rover, and even Lexus LX, but it still keeps its identity as a rugged, powerful off-roader. What do you think? Is this the perfect balance of bold design and practicality, or would you have liked something different from Nissan? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and stay tuned, because this is just the beginning of the all-new 2025 Nissan Patrol journey.